What is going on, YouTube? Today I've got an unboxing for you. So I decided to get a new accessory for my iPad. This is the 360X, or the 360-degree keyboard case by YEKBEE. Let's take a look at what we've got inside. I got the black version. And after some cushioning, we got the user's manual. Go ahead and set that to the side. We have a little bag of cushion for if it doesn't fit solidly. It's made for a couple different iPads. We have our charging cable. This is charged through micro USB. And here is the keyboard case. We'll go ahead and open up the keyboard case. It feels very nice and solid to open it up. And after a little bit more cushioning, we have a little thank you note. Lights, colors, shortcuts, exclusively by YEKBEE. This is a little shortcut guide. Show you some of the functions you have. You have a home button, brightness select, so a whole lot of the different options that you would have with a regular keyboard. Let's go ahead and put our iPad on it. It fits nice and solid. We do not need the cushions. And there you have it. Looks just like a regular keyboard. Let's get it set up. We're going to go through Bluetooth in order to do this. Very easy to do with the new iPadOS. And once we turn it on, all we have to do is press the pair button, hold it down for a couple seconds. We have our light. Go to our Bluetooth settings, and it should appear at the bottom. There it is. And after a couple seconds, it's paired up. The keyboard feels very good. The keys are nice and clicky, and the keys are backlit, which is a feature I like. It'll cycle through the colors, or you can specifically press the color button to select the color you want your keyboard to be. My preference is red. Looking good. The cutouts are large enough for your devices, so you could use an SD card reader if you wanted to, or since we're using iPadOS, let's go ahead and plug a mouse up and make this really a laptop experience. What makes this a 360 keyboard case is the ability to completely flip the screen, thereby putting it in a tablet mode, if you want to call it that, for an already tablet. But it definitely gives you a couple options. On the website it says 6-in-1, but it's just all in how it's positioned. So overall, it's a very sturdy feel. I like how sturdy it is. I like the way the keys feel, and I like the protection that it does give the iPad. So overall, I'm going to say this is definitely a buy, especially for the discounted price. You're saving over $100 on this thing. So if you have the 9.7-inch iPad or some of the equivalent ones, I would definitely give this a go.